Hi, in this video we're going to cover the next two tips to saving you time during the math test when answering percentage related questions. The last 6 tips were covered in the previous 2 videos. So let's get started. Tip number 7. Percentage with more than, we use addition. Let's clarify this point using the following question. Sarah has 25% more money than Sam. If Sam has £20, then how much money does Sarah have? With these sort of questions, we cannot use the percentage tree. With these sort of questions, we are comparing the percentages between different two parts. In this question, we are comparing the amount of money that Sarah has to the amount of money that Sam has using percentage. Clearly, Sarah has got more amount of money than Sam has. In order to have an equal amount of money for both of them, then we need to add a certain amount of money to Sam's amount. The amount of money that needs to be added to Sam's amount to make it equal to Sarah's amount has been stated in the question as a percentage, which is 25%. Based on the first part of these videos, the percentage does not equal the value of an amount. So we need to convert that percentage into a value. So we agree that Sarah's amount equals to Sam's amount plus 25% of Sam's amount. Sam's amount equals to £20. 25% of Sam's amount equals to 25% times 20. Based on tip number 2, 25% can be converted into a quarter, so it would be a lot easier to work with the numbers. This means that Sarah's amount equals to £20 plus a quarter times 20. This means Sarah's amount equals to £20 plus 5, which is equal to £25. Now, based on tip number 6, we must check our answer. And we know that Sarah's amount is more than Sam's amount. And in this case, £25 is more than 20. So it seems to be the right answer for the question. A common mistake is to replace 25% of Sam's amount with 25. Remember the rule that we've covered. The percentage does not equal the value of an amount. So you need to find the value of the percentage, not use the same amount of the percentage. Tip number 8. Percentages with less than, we use subtraction. Let's have a look at this question. Sarah had 25% less than Sam. If Sam had £20, then how much money did Sarah have? Now remember, we cannot use the percentage tree displayed on the right-hand side of the slide for these sort of questions, as we are comparing two amounts using a percentage. And in this case, we are comparing Sarah's amount to Sam's amount. And Sarah's amount is less than Sam's amount. So in order to make both amounts equal, we need to take away a certain amount of money from Sam's amount. This certain amount that we need to take away from Sam's amount equals to 25% of Sam's amount. This means that Sarah's amount equals to Sam's amount take away 25% of Sam's amount, which should then equal to £20 take away 25% times 20. Using tip number 2, we can replace 25% by a quarter. This will make the numbers a lot easier to work with. This should then equal to £20 take away a quarter times 20. £20 take away 5, which means that Sarah's amount equals to £15. Using tip number 6, we should always check our answers. Now we know that Sarah's amount is less than Sam's amount, and our answer £15 is less than £20. This means that our answer seems to be a correct answer. Keep practicing more questions about percentages with less than and more than until you get the hang of it. If you like my video and want to see more of these videos, then click on like or subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you wish to see similar videos of a particular topic, then send me a comment. If you'd like to view the next video, then click on Tips to Save Time Answering Percentage Related Problems, Part 4.